Hello again, everyone. Like I said, I'm going to be unboxing Toby in this separate video. So here's Toby in his packaging. And now to get Toby out of his packaging. And here is Toby. And here's the box. Now here is Toby. What can I say? He's not that bad, really. Yes, he's tall. And has a lighter shade of brown as opposed to the dark brown. But it's perhaps the better version of Toby compared to the CGI push along. Compared to the CGI version, so what can I say? This Toby has certainly improved. This Toby has improved a lot. Not by a long shot, but a lot. And when I said he's tall, excuse me, I think I got an example. Here, for example, I'll use Gordon. As you can see, Toby is slightly taller than Gordon. And I guess that is accurate in the model series. Or well, I guess this is accurate model series wise. Let's try another example. Young Bao. Yep, Toby is slightly taller than Young Bao. So Toby is probably taller than just about anyone. What about Carly? I think I got a muddy version I could use as an example. If not counting the crane arm and hook, I'd say Toby is still slightly taller. So yeah, Toby's just about as tall as anyone else. But here's a nice Toby face. Got a front coupling. Here's the number 7 with some detail. The back, no detail added, especially the buffer beam and the buffers. The other side, again, Toby is in a lighter shade of brown as opposed to the dark shade. But that doesn't bother me a bit. I like this model the way it is. let's see, Toby's got a funnel and a bell. And Toby has 6 wheels hidden by his cow catchers. Hidden by his cow catcher and side plates. Yeah, Toby's not bad, but could have been a little bit better. So I would give this a 7 or an 8 out of 10. I was one of those people that was excited that because Toby was coming back in a reboot. Not only that, but in the US dub, he's voiced by Eddie Glynn. You know, the person who previously voiced Thomas and Thomas and the Magic Railroad. What's funny is that Eddie Glynn is the second voice actor to come back as a Thomas and Friends character, with the first being Neil Crone for Gordon. Unlike Neil Crone, Eddie does not reprise his role as Thomas, but instead voices Toby. It was a real treat. Yeah, not much to say about this Toby. In fact, there could have been some detailing up here. The back. But overall, this is perhaps the much better version of Toby compared to, again, the CGI version. So, like Harold, I definitely recommend getting Toby if you haven't already. Whether he's in your system or not. Whether he's in your Walmart system or not. I got mine, even though he's not in their system. But for some reason, Harold might be in their system. He may be, he may be not. But like I said previously, he was scanned fine. Toby wasn't. Yeah, that's gonna do it on the log cabin on wheels. Well, hope you enjoyed the unboxing of both Harold and Toby. I can't thank you guys. Well, I just don't know what to thank you for. Honestly, I don't. But before I end this video, I want to give a shout out to my best friend. I think his name Hayes. Heyz, I believe. Yeah. I want to give a shout out to my friend Hayes. You know, just because he's a good friend, and I just wanted to give him a shout out. So Hayes, if you're watching this, you earned it. As always, thank you very much for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And I hope to see you again in more future videos to come.